Hi everyone, this is just a quick update about taking Anie's Detox tea, and this is actually my 20-second piece, but I skipped drinking it. Supposed to be my 28 days was end of July because I started July 6 and this is only 28 packs. But yeah, it's already delayed, but yeah, I will still give you an update. I still have 6 packs left here, and as of right now, there's no negative effects. All are positive effects taking this Anie's Detox tea. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, this is just a short video. As I promised before with my unboxing and first impression of Anie's Detox tea, I'm going to give you an update. So this is just a short update after taking these teas for like, kasi nag-stop ako after taking this for 2 weeks. For some reasons, na-busy kasi ako, and ayun, nalilimutan ko na siyang i-take. Pero may natira pa dito. Let's see. Alam ko mga 5 packs pa to ng teas. So, let's see how many left. Should I see? So, may 6 pa ako, guys. So, tinignan ko yung isa kanina. 7 pang natira. So, 28 packs kasi to. 28 packs. And then, may natirang 7. 21 na yung na-take ko. Supposed to be tapos na ako nung first week ng August. Because, first time ko siyang tinake July 6. So, 28 lang dapat. 28 days lang dapat. And meron akong pineapple pang natira with leaves, and then may goji berry siya, which is known as antioxidant and then anti-aging. Kaya ang benefits ng goji berries. And then may natira pa akong this one. May mga leaves din siya, and then yung, I guess it's star fruit or balimbing, dried balimbing, and then yung peras, and then may rosebuds, and then hindi ko alam tawag sa mga dahon. And then ito, pear din to with, sabi tomato daw to, dried tomato. Ayan. Yan lang yung natira sa akin. And then ito, pang 22nd ko na to. And ito, this one has chrysanthemum, and then may dragon fruit siya, plus the pandan leaves. Yan. Favorite ko din tong pandan leaves kasi pag kasama siya ng teas, feeling mo parang siyang black gulaman. Ganun yung lasa kaya. Ito, medyo hot to kanina kaya parang sumayaw siya. Yun guys, and hopefully you tried this herbal teas. So hopefully you give it a try as well. And then this one is actually my 22nd bottle. So what I put here is the chrysanthemum flower, and then with pandan leaves, and then dragon fruit. Well, for me, it's impossible for you to experience negative side effects from these Anie's Detox tea because it is made with natural ingredients and it's herbal. It's herbal teas, and parang piling-piling fruits and flowers siya. Like this one, dragon fruits. Diba, it is not popular as herbal. But when I research about it, it's actually known as anti-inflammatory and it's good for UTI. And then, yung bark na yun, I don't know what they call this one. And then, itong flower na to, before akala ko it's everlasting, but it's not. It's not everlasting flower. And then the star fruit. Yan. And then, yan, no, herbs, pineapple, and it has goji berry. Goji berries is known as antioxidant and anti-aging. Yan. Very popular din yan sa mga ancestor natin before. Yung ginagamit nila as anti-aging. And then, ano pa bang meron dito natira? Yun yung natira sa akin eh. Ito, yan, pear. May peras din tayo with rosebuds. And may rosebud siya. Yan, popular din yan as calming. So, pag di ka mapakali or di ka makatulog, you can use this one, the one with rosebuds. Very ideal if you'd like to relax and have a good sleep. And almost all of these herbs has similar benefits like anti-inflammatory and detoxifying. That's it for me, and I hope you give it a try as well. You could purchase this online. You can see their ads at Facebook page, the Anie's Detox Tea. I hope you enjoy watching this vlog. See you again next time. Bye!